so we got the dumpling. Can we get the regular one, or really want the green, the white one, or the glitter one, or the cold one, or the I'm willing to get at least with the glitter galaxy one. I really want it. Okay. I got the white dumpling. Oh, so cute.
Stop.
This dumpling. It's the white dumpling. Okay. Nice to fish also. This is Stan. Say hi. Bella, say hi.